will talk about how can you select for the preference on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account details here, just click on it. Then you come to next CPR, click here on for preference, just click on it. And just click here on for preference, then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you select it in this list. Click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.